Here we are. Herbert Hoover, hole number 3.
Hoover just fell.
And there's a big old tree that fell down. Branch broke. Big old branch up there. 2 of them. Sketchy. So I threw my shot not knowing exactly, I just muscle memory. And I parked it.
Here's the basket that's
And the
bent.
basket got bent, obviously. Let's check it out. It could have been destroyed. Completely, utterly. Yeah, this is the same exact tree. Yesterday I was standing here after a round of disc golf. And I was looking at this tree. I'm like, man, this tree is kind of slanted. I kind of feel like this is going to fall, like it can't support the weight. And then here the next day, it falls over. How do you explain that? Did I do it? Did I know the future? Did I program the future? It's hard to say. That's just a little eerie. Poor basket.
The very first damage of Hoover.
Wow. Definitely a lot more shaded right here now.
Yeah, it is.